Hello guys, welcome back in this session of Python. So today we'll discuss about strings and basic string operations, different input and output functions, not different like print and input only. So let's get started. We'll start with Python 3. Okay, so basically we will first look at the print statement. Print hello world, because that's how we start every programming language. Okay, so it will print hello world. Now in Python, when you want to print, you can use double quotation marks or single quotation mark. Both will give you the same result. When we remove double quotation and use single quotation, again it's the same thing, hello world. If you write print 1 without quotation marks, then it will take it as a number, integer or float, and it will print it. But if you write like hi without, because hi is a string, and if you write it without double quotation, it will give you an error. You can directly print different mathematical operations. 2 plus 2, it will directly print 4. Now let's get to input. Input is it will take a user input, so you just type anything and press enter. You can also write something. What is your age? Okay, so it will just print what is your age, and then it will ask you for an input. So you can write why do you even care, and you see it will take it as a string in a single quotation mark. You can also take it as a number like 4, it will give 4. So that's basic input and output function. Now let's get back to the string things. So I told you you can use single quotation or double quotation for a string. I usually prefer to use double quotations. So like in double quotation, hey, it will again it will convert it into single quotation as per its requirement, but doesn't matter, both will give you the same answer. Just stick to one thing. Now what if you want to use a single quotation or double quotation in your string? That means like he said or he asked, how are you? So one thing you can do is you can use single quotation inside your double quotation whole string, so it would directly accept it. But if you do double quotation inside a double quotation, then it will say it's an error, syntax error, invalid syntax, because it doesn't know onto which double quotation it should stop reading. Okay, so what you can do at that point of time, just do this: use backslash before these double quotations which are inside, which you want to save in your string. Okay, so it will work. When you want to store, when you want to go to new line also, you can use backslash n. It will not show you here, but when you are printing this thing, you will come to know what I'm talking about. He asked, how are you? So after backslash n, it will come to a new line. If you if you just remove that space, it will be removed here also. You can also use, instead of backslash n, if you are doing backslash t, it will be a tab, so it will give 4 spaces in between. So these are main things. Another thing you can do is you can actually use triple 3 times double quotation for your lengthy string, like hello, and then enter, how are you. It will directly take new line until you again give 3 double quotations. It won't stop. And fine, and look to it, just backslash n, it added 2 backslash n automatically. You can also do this with print directly. Oops. how are you, 2 3 and enter. So it will do it will directly use that backslash n to get into the new line. So these are the main things which you should remember for the strings. Use double quotation or single quotation, but prefer one which will be a better choice for you. Now we'll move on to the string operations. So the basic string operations are main is one is concatenation, where you add two strings together like hello and world. So you directly use plus to directly add both the strings into one string. It will concatenate two strings into one string. So if you just add a space here, because space is also included into a string, so that white space it will actually take some space. So it will show you here also hello space world. Okay, now the one thing, like if you are doing it with numbers, it will directly add those numbers, but and yes, like you can write 2, so it will take this 2 as a string. So if you are doing 2 plus 1, it will not give you 3, because 2 and 1 are part of a string. So it will concatenate this string and make a new string which is 21. But if you write 2, which is a number, and then you write 1 in a double quotation, which is a string, it will give you an error, unsupported operand, because 1 is integer, 1 is string. So the interpreter will not know what to do, and it will throw an error. Now when you want to repeat a string, you can just write down hey space, you can remove space also, into 2. So it will just repeat the same string for 2 times, hey space. Okay, one thing also you can do is you can just put this 2 at the front also, 2 into, again it will do the same thing. But when you do 2 into 2, then it's a string, so it won't know what to do, and it will throw an error. Okay, so just make sure what you are doing, and we'll wrap up with this session. See you in the next session. Bye guys.